Put this bike back together, take it out and ride it. See if changing the springs made a difference. I clean my area up though. Bullet dog. Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Thank you. Can you shake my hand? Shake my hand. Thank you. Drank a little too much coffee this morning on the rev limiter. Clean the subframe bolts up a little bit. Like new. Use just a drop of blue Loctite on those. Don't want them falling out. A little bit of blue Loctite on the threads. A little grease on the shaft. Sort of like spitting on it for dirt bikes. Want to make sure the neck's clean. Won't last very long if it's sucking all kinds of dirt in the motor. You want to make sure when you're putting the subframe on that you get the boot all the way on the neck of the carburetor right there. Easiest way I've found is to take the air filter out, loosen your clamp, loosen that clamp right there all the way up, stick your hand down in there, stick your hand down in there, and push it over the neck of the carb. A little bit of blue Loctite on the subframe bolts. Always start them by hand. Just got the clamp on there. Tighten the subframe bolts up. Subframe goes at 22 foot-pounds, so we'll torque those. Torque the triple clamps. 14 bottom, 16 top. Might as well check the spark plug before we put the gas tank back on. Looks pretty good. Borderline rich, but a little bit of coffee color, so that'll work. Torque the caliper bolts, 22 foot-pounds. Bolt the tank back up. Might as well start on the side with the radiator that's all bent to hell because it's always the hardest one to get on. Got the gas tank all secured on there. Hooked the fuel line back up. Got the clamp back on there. Looking good. Got to get the silencer mounted back up. Shouldn't be no biggie. Sag set. Had to fix the rear fender. It was about to fall off there, missing a couple of bolts. Give the lock ring on the shock a couple tappity taps. Should be good. Definitely much plusher. Back end feels better too. Gotta go over my checklist. Subframe torqued, triple clamps torqued, caliper torqued, everything else tightened.